A modern AI system can search 100 million vectors in under 50 milliseconds, without checking all 100 million. The obvious solution is to compare your query against every single vector. But at this scale, that's simply too slow. Similar documents naturally cluster together in vector space. If we can quickly reach the right neighborhood, we don't need to search everywhere. Think about driving across a city. You don't visit every street. You take highways first, then local roads near your destination. HNSW builds exactly that idea: sparse shortcut layers on top and increasingly detailed, richly connected layers as we go down. Every search begins from one fixed entry node, sitting alone at the very top layer of the entire graph. From each node, HNSW simply moves to whichever neighbor is closest to your query. Nothing more complicated than that. Once no closer neighbor exists at this level, the search drops one layer down and repeats with finer detail. Instead of examining millions of vectors, HNSW often reaches the answer in just a few dozen smart hops. The if_search parameter controls how many candidates get explored. A higher value means better accuracy at a small speed cost. When a new vector arrives, HNSW links it to its nearest neighbors, then prunes away any redundant connections to stay efficient. Each node is randomly assigned a top layer. Very few climb high, so higher layers act as sparse express routes. The M parameter caps how many connections each node keeps. More links improve search accuracy, but use noticeably more memory. Using a library like HNSWlib, building this entire index and running a query takes only a few lines of code. Tuning HNSW is a balancing act. Higher if and larger M improve recall, but cost more memory and time. This exact algorithm quietly powers most modern vector databases used in production today, including tools like FAISS and Pinecone. So instead of scanning every vector, HNSW glides through shortcut layers, express, then dense, until it lands on the nearest neighborhood. That's how modern AI searches 100 million vectors without checking them all. If this architecture finally clicked for you, subscribe for more deep dives into the engineering behind AI.